Namaste, I am Harsha. I am representing LGS Research Foundation. This video is briefing the summary of activities needed in the activity category number 3. We all know these are the 16 categories by the VTU and activities are available in the 14 categories of the list provided by the VTU. Okay, we have the activity titles in 14 categories. In all of them, the architecture is same. That means 10 tasks they are same. Only the question varies. The format will remain the same. 3 and 4. Okay. Task number 3, task number 4 is the only practical tasks. Rest are the theoretical tasks. Okay. So uh, again, student can answer from wherever they are. Task number 3, task number 4, they need to visit nearby their own location. Rest of the tasks are theoretical and they can answer from their own location. Though this is a offline activity, student will submit answers on the mobile application. Students need not to visit our office for the implementation. They can complete from wherever they are. And the activity category considered here is developing sustainable water management system, and the activity title available under LGS Research Foundation is Jala Samrakshane, borewell recharge techniques. So because only task 3 and 4 are practical, rest are theoretical, I'm concentrating only on 3 and 4. Okay, so based on this, student can decide whether they can take task number activity number 3 or activity number any other else. Now students can conduct survey with the 10 different borewell owners, and task number 4, field visit, they can visit to any location that has adopted the borewell recharge techniques. Let us explore more about this. What is the objective of this activity? As I mentioned in the left column, a report will be issued to the student upon completing all the tasks. Each report is having 50 plus pages, including the certificate and the theory practical proofs. The objective of this activity is everybody, either a rural or urban, is having a borewell system. Approximately on an average 60 to 70% are having a borewell system for the water source, and these borewells, they are extracting the water from the groundwater table, but majority of us are not charging the groundwaters. That means, let's say we are using the water and we are leaving the water to the drainage system. So whichever the borewell point is there, that is not been recharged with the water. So our groundwater table will go low. Government has come up with the measures or government schemes to make sure farmers, especially the farmers, they are adopting the borewell recharge techniques so that the groundwater table will be enhancing year on year. So used water, if you feed back to the borewells, it has to go through the filtering process. That is what borewell recharge system is. So why this farmers are not showing interest to adopt the borewell recharge system? Why the urban civilians are also not taking interest to adopt the borewell recharge system? What is the scientific principle behind the filtration methods, and how we can mandate all the civilians who are having the borewell as a water source to adopt this borewell recharge system is the main objective of this activity. So problem statement is to make sure all the civilians having a borewell as a water source must adopt more and more borewell recharge techniques. What are the engineering solutions that we can come up with to make sure this problem statement is addressed? We have to understand the technology gaps in the present government schemes and its ineffectiveness and automations required, and the reason for the failure of technology in public awareness. Student has to suggest an engineering solution to address the discussed social issue. In theory, student has to provide answer to case study questions, solution as a farmer, as an IAS officer, as an engineer, and a startup idea has to be proposed along with the financial requisite to convert the idea to company. Fieldwork, student has to conduct survey with 10 different individuals and visit to a nearby site that has adopted the borewell recharge system. Now I'll explain in brief about the task number 3. Task number 3, it is having a public survey. Student has to conduct survey with 10 different individuals. So this is the format of conducting survey. See, I have given a sample here. Students need to conduct survey with the persons owning a borewell. Suppose if you cannot find them, that's okay. You can conduct with any random public individuals. Survey answers are to be uploaded on the mobile application. Survey is allowed with family, siblings, relatives, friends, strangers, and public, but not with the classmates and college mates. While conducting the survey, student has to prepare a awareness sheet that must be having a image of borewell recharge system and 5 advantages of borewell recharge. It has to be listed. Take a black and white print of that sheet and present to the surveyed person. Photo has to be captured in this format only. Face has to be clearly visible. Now, this is about task 3. Task 4, now where to visit? You can visit to any farmland, agriculture land, or urban center, or college, or any public building that has adopted the borewell recharge system. Okay, you just have to interact with them and then get to know few details. See, this is the sample photo of how borewell recharge system is adopted. See here, filters are yet to be added. Okay, so they will add that. I just added the construction photo. Okay, these are the questions that are there in the task number 4. First three are capturing the photos. 3 photos are to be captured, and rest of the things are the theoretical. You just have to collect the answers from the visited location and summarize there. Answers are to be fed to the mobile app. This is the sample field visit photo. This student, he has conducted survey with a farmer who has adopted the filtration system, that means borewell recharge system. You can see that he has adopted the he has implemented this filtration system, and then he has captured the photos. What's next? If you want to purchase this activity, you can follow the video user manual mentioning how to purchase the activity. For any more details, you can contact us. Thank you.